Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure Aniyomi is updated and your device meets minimum OS requirements. Once done, enable unknown sources for the installer so extensions can be added. This avoids install errors. You should also connect to Wi-Fi and enable a VPN if sources are region restricted. Make a quick backup of Aniyomi settings to restore easily if something goes wrong. Doing these first steps reduces friction and prepares you to add the extension without an. You now install the extension. Open Aniyomi, go to Extensions, and tap the plus or add button to import an APK or browse the catalog. If using an APK, select the file manager and install the package, accepting any permissions Aniyomi requests. Once installed, restart the app so the new extension can initialize and load its sources. Make sure the extension shows as active in the extensions list. If it's disabled, enable it before moving on to configuration and source selection. Finish by configuring the extension sources. Open its settings to choose languages, quality defaults, and enable preferred mirrors. Once configured, refresh the catalog and sync Aniyomi so new entries populate your library. Add favorites and set update intervals to keep content current. If something goes wrong, clear the extension cache, disable and re-enable it, or reinstall the APK. If access errors persist, toggle your VPN or check region blocks. This one troubleshooting step usually resolves most connection and indexing issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.